Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So we are going to use two different color of nylon thread, red and yellow, and tie knot. So twist it and remove the end of the red one through the yellow one and pull it tightly. Make a loop like this. You will get this beautiful design. These type of designs are perfect for bracelets, and look, it's done. Tie a knot using this different color of nylon thread. We are taking very thin thread here. These are perfect for making bracelets or friendship bands. You can gift it to your loved ones or friends. Here we are going to take green and blue color of thread and make a loop like this and remove the end of each thread through them and then pull it tightly. After this we are going to again pull it and adjust the holes like this, and you will get this beautiful design at the end. Later we are going to cut it and fix it using the lighter, and look, it's done. Here we are going to learn how you can make a flower shape using two different color of nylon thread. So let's get started. After tying knot on the green one, then we are going to put this yellow color of nylon thread and tie a knot. In place of yellow, you can also take a red or pink one. We are going to make a flower shape now. After tying the knot, we are going to take one end of the yellow thread and we are going to take other end of the green and tie a knot like this. Similar way, we are going to repeat the same process on other side as well. Look how we are doing here. We are going to tie the knot from this side as well. Now we are going to take both the ends of green and then we are going to pull it tightly by tying knot on the same time, and look, you will get this circular flower, and look, it's done. Similar way, you can make more such flower. So we're going to take this orange and green color of nylon thread. We are taking very thin thread here. You can also take a thick one in place of this. First we are going to tie knot using the orange one. Then we are going to tie the knot using the green one in alternate manner, and you will get this beautiful design at the end. We are going to take pink and red color of nylon thread and tie knot. First we are going to tie the red color of thread at the center. Now use this pink color of nylon thread. Use both ends of the thread and make a loop like this. Now pull it tightly and you will get this beautiful design at the end. So repeat the same process over and over again. Look how we are doing here in this video, and pull the thread tightly, remove it like this, and look, it's done. You can make so many designs like this using different colors. We are going to take this green color of nylon thread and tie it at the center. After this we are going to take another nylon thread. Now we are going to tie knot on the top. Similar way, we are going to repeat the same process over and over again. Look how we are doing here. Remove both end of the thread through the center and take only one piece like this and tie a knot like this in alternate manner, one at a time. Look how we are doing here in this video. You can make different friendship bands or bracelets using this. You can also put some pearls at the center for more decoration, and look, it's done. Finally, you can cut the thread and use it in so many ways. Thank you so much for watching this video.